What's up guys, Miguel here with another quick video on this 4x8 Vivosun grow tent. It's my update video. Looking like a tropical jungle in here. Monstera, 2 new leaves, 1, 2. These guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Hawaiian pothos, very excited for you. I've got the Mxmoonant 3-head mist maker going right now. I have it going for I think 4 separate times here in this tent, and then also I've got the Mxmoonant humidifier over here going. Had the tent open for about 15-20 minutes and humidity still 50%. These guys are going to kick on until it gets up to think about 55, and then this one is just on a timer. My little swamp that we made, Wandering Jew, and my elephant ear that I'm really excited about. Look at that cute little guy right there. These guys looking fantastic. They're a little bit awake now, so I did make a second video with the leaves out and about more. These guys are going to go into a box because they've outgrown it. Saved these guys from Home Depot last winter. Sansi grow lights. Got a fan, bug zapper, catchy, another Sansi light, more Sansi lights, Govi Wi-Fi timers, and Barrina 24-watt lights for the shelf. That's it. Blink camera so I could watch my tent when I'm out of town. And thanks for watching.